Wagwan and welcome. So in Jamaican Patois, some English words will have the opposite meaning. For example, the word bad. Sometimes we use the word bad and it actually means good, right? So, for example, we'll say, my girl, the food is bad. Meaning, this food tastes so good. That car, they're bad. Meaning, that car looks so good. Or someone might say, my youth, look on the house there. The house is bad. Meaning, that house is so beautiful. Or a guy might say, I love that girl, they're bad. Meaning, I love that girl a lot. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Big up on yourself.